In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can update the software or firmware on your Amazon FireStick 4K Max. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, even though the 4K Max is pretty fast, it still can become pretty slow or laggy over time. And to actually go ahead and fix this, you're going to want to go ahead and scroll all the way over to the little settings gear on the far right, scroll down and find this little My Fire TV option and open it up. And then from here, immediately go ahead and select About. Scroll down on this and you're going to see an option that says check for updates. Go ahead and select this, and if an update is available, your Fire Stick will begin downloading and installing it automatically. I recommend checking for updates about once a month. In most cases, your Fire Stick should update itself automatically, even if your TV is turned off, as long as you haven't changed any update settings. But if you want your Fire Stick to run as smoothly as possible and avoid any update issues, I recommend using a wired internet connection. Wireless does work, but in my experience, updates can fail or slow the device down while you're using it. Using an Ethernet adapter for your Fire Stick will make it so much more reliable and improve overall performance. But that is it. That is how you can update your Amazon Fire Stick 4K Max software. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.